She's taller than Big Ben, heavier than 20 elephants, and was built when skyscrapers didn't even exist. But how did 19th century engineers design, ship, and assemble the Statue of Liberty across an ocean and without modern machines? This is how Lady Liberty came to life. It all started in France. Sculptor Frédéric Auguste Bartholdi had a vision. A massive statue representing liberty gifted to the United States for its 100th foundation anniversary. But sculpting it was only half the battle. To pull it off, Frédéric Auguste Bartholdi brought in Gustave Eiffel, the same genius who later built the Eiffel Tower, to solve the real challenge, keeping it standing. Eiffel didn't just build a statue, he built a skeleton. Lady Liberty's copper skin is only 3/32 of an inch thick, like 2 pennies stacked. So Eiffel created a flexible iron tower inside, allowing the statue to sway in strong winds without cracking. That inner frame was revolutionary. Basically the ancestor of the modern skyscraper. In Paris, over 300 hammered copper sheets were shaped by hand and bolted to the iron frame. The entire statue was fully assembled once, then taken apart into 350 pieces, packed into 214 crates and shipped across the Atlantic. Everything from the torch to her toes arrived in New York in 1885. Rebuilding her on Liberty Island wasn't easy. The pedestal wasn't even ready. Americans had to crowdfund it with donations as small as 10 cents. Workers used wooden scaffolds, ropes, and pulleys to reassemble the statue. But here's something most people miss. She wasn't always green. Lady Liberty was originally shiny reddish-brown copper. But over the next 20 years, the metal reacted with air, salt, and rain, forming a green patina that actually protects the copper beneath. The government once debated cleaning it off, but public outcry saved her signature color. By 1886, she was complete. Taller than any US building at the time, she became a symbol of hope, freedom, and world-class engineering. What started as an impossible sculpture became an indestructible icon, still standing strong after 135 years. Want more amazing builds from the past turned into Lego legends? Hit that subscribe button. This is History Engineered, where the world's greatest structures are rebuilt, one brick at a time,